what did it when I slide through. I could lift you up, you only 5'2". Maybe get you drunk, maybe high too. Maybe fall in love, maybe fall in love. I could take you to the other side, show you that there's more than meets the eye. Maybe get you drunk, maybe high too. Maybe fall in love, maybe fall in love. Listen up, girl, you can push up, but in something pops out on the other side. But they don't teach that, they just want you trapped in your mind. I should let you know that there's a chance you get addicted, cause the shit I put you on ain't really no one out there fucking with me. But if you're okay with that, then let's proceed. Just grab my hand, I'ma take you to the other side, into the promised land. You know what did it when I slide through. I could lift you up, you only 5'2". Maybe get you drunk, maybe high too. Maybe fall in love, maybe fall in love. I could take you to the other side, show you that there's more than meets the eye. Maybe get you drunk, maybe high too. Maybe fall in love, maybe fall in love. Ooh, tell me that I'm getting through. Tell me that I'm getting through. Tell me that I'm getting through to you. Tell me that I'm getting through. I should let you know that there's a chance you get addicted, cause the shit I put you on ain't really no one out there fucking with me. But if you're okay with that, then let's proceed. Just grab my hand, I'ma take you to the other side, into the promised land. You know what did it when I slide through. I could lift you up, you only 5'2". Maybe get you drunk, maybe high too. Maybe fall in love, maybe fall in love. I could take you to the other side, show you that there's more.